Hello, this is John Diaz here, independent presidential candidate here, going by South Carolina. As we can see here, they're rehabilitating bridges here along I-95, which is good to see. They're rehabilitating and reconstructing is what that is. And as we can see here, there's still a lot to do in South Carolina. And if you can hear that noise, they could definitely mill down this road and repave it. It sounds real rough. I remember hearing that on the way up here to Florida. But this is the way a highway should sound, nice and quiet, smooth. So that's what they're doing, little by little. We just have to increase what we do to create jobs and create a robust economy. Thanks.